Hello, everyone. We're gradually getting to the point of registering for the service that will send our emails. But for this, we will also need a domain from which our emails will be sent. So now we will register some services and talk about this. I recommend that when you create a new project, whether it's your project or a project for your client, register a separate email for it and use this email for everything related to your project. So let's get started. First, let's create an email, for example, in Google. This process is well known, so I'll register an email for this project but pause the video because there's nothing special here. Just register the email. Great. I managed to create an email, and I chose this address for my email. eddynickmanager@gmail.com. We won't show this email to anyone. We'll just register services with it. That is, it's our secret email. Don't show it to anyone. Good. Email is created. Now let's register a domain. Register domains wherever you like. It doesn't matter. The only thing I said, services should be linked to this email. But in practice, it seemed to me that it's convenient to link domains to your main account because they often ask for some personal data. Therefore, domains can be registered all under one main account. If needed, you can later transfer this domain to your client or partners. Therefore, domain registration is an exception. Okay, let's register a domain. Enter your domain name in the search and see what's available. Here, choose the one you like. I'll just pick a cheaper one for now. I think they recommended this one to me. ideadefisnik.com. I'll register it now. Okay, continue. There's nothing unique in this process either. Just don't take any additional options. You don't need them. So, register the domain. I'll pause again now because I need to enter card details. I'll resume recording the video where we do something important to show you. Great, I acquired the domain ideanick.info. Now, on your domain registrar's site, find the DNS records tab and the name servers tab. Sometimes they're called NS, and we need to edit them. Change name servers. What do we need? We need to set them up. This is where Cloudflare comes in. Cloudflare allows you to give it control over your domains and configure all your DNS records there. It's convenient to do it through Cloudflare. It also allows you to get an SSL certificate for free. Overall, it's a user-friendly service. It has many useful features, but initially, we'll use it specifically to manage our domain. Now, let's create an account in Cloudflare, and we'll register it with our special email. Okay, there's nothing complicated here. I usually pause the registration again. All right. Registration is successful. Now we need to add our site or application. This can be done on the Websites tab. Just refusing, clicking, get started. Okay. We are asked to specify our domain. Specify our domain. Click Continue. Okay. We are interested in the free plan. That's more than enough for us. Okay. And now we are told to replace these current name servers with these. Copy, paste, 1, 2, save it. Continue. That's it. We've done it. No more logging into GoDaddy or your domain registrar needed. All domain management will be handled here. Just note that your changes to the name servers may not take effect immediately. It can take up to a day, but usually it's faster. Good. We've registered Cloudflare and linked it to our domain. What do we need to configure in Cloudflare here? We need to add the appropriate DNS records. Primarily, the records will be of two types initially. These are records for sending emails through the service we choose for email distribution. Later, when we deploy our application, we will also define which server should point to our main domain address to display our service. I ask you not to close the Cloudflare page. In the next lesson, we will register an account with the Brevo service for sending our emails. And in that lesson, we will add the necessary records to our Cloudflare. The domain registration lesson is complete. Thank you all. See you soon.